Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vapor Honing Technologies channel. Today we're going to do some ASMR. We have this part that looks like it has been blasted on this half, and I think we're going to finish it and see how pretty we can make it, and we're going to see what sounds we can get from it along the way. So we tried to get some very interesting sounds with this little guy, and I think the most satisfying thing about this video is the finish that we got with the machine. Of course, we can get this with any of our wet blast machines. We also have sand blast machines or one of our hydroblast machines. If you have any questions, we do have plenty of videos on our YouTube channel. We also post every day, and we have tons of specialists on standby ready to answer your phone calls and your questions 24/7. To reach us, all you have to do is dial 828-202-5563 or visit vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Thank you for watching, and make sure you comment down below. Have a great day.